Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask at home with simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. All we need is 1 ripe peach. Let's firstly talk a little bit of benefits of peach on the skin. Peaches are rich in vitamin A and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C helps promote collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The natural sugars in peaches can also help hydrate and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. The natural enzymes present in peaches have exfoliating properties that can gently remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This can help improve skin texture and promote a brighter complexion. Peaches contain antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to premature aging and skin damage. The antioxidants in peaches help neutralize these free radicals, reducing the risk of oxidative stress on the skin. The natural acids in peaches can have a mild exfoliating effect and help soothe irritated skin. This makes peach face masks suitable for individuals with sensitive or inflamed skin. Regular use of a peach face mask can help brighten dull skin and even out skin tone. The vitamin C content in peaches can help fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a more radiant appearance. Wash the peach thoroughly to remove any dirt. Cut the peach in half and remove the pit. Place 1/2 of the peach in a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can mash the peach with a fork until it becomes a smooth pulp. Transfer the peach pulp to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Add the honey to the peach pulp and mix well. Honey has moisturizing and antibacterial properties that can benefit your skin. Yogurt can help soothe and hydrate the skin. Your peach face mask is now ready to use. Start with a clean and dry face. Apply a thin, even layer of the peach face mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work on your skin. Now, rinse your face with warm water. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. Don't throw away those remaining peaches. You can make a scrub for face. Well, add sugar to the peach and apply directly to your face. Don't wait because sugar melts quickly. So, firstly clean your face and apply the scrub. And then you can apply the mask. And that's it, so simple and easy. Just try it, you won't regret it. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.